it's lovely here. And as you can see, today's such a sunny day. And you can see my pup right there. Actually, he's an adult now, but, you know, I always call him Buck. He's always trying to eat my toys. Get out of here. I always have to wrestle with him. Don't know why. He's always trying to bite off my head. Really worried about that. But today's video is actually about me outside. Yay. And I'm sorry guys that I'm using this helium voice thingamajigger. It's because I really like this app, and just search up helium and then it's just going to pop up a thing. A video recording thing. Well, today's day is about Sunday, even though tomorrow's still school day. Well, he's just obsessed with me, so... JK! So in my other video, I was warned to not show my face a lot. My arm a lot. Thank you for that advice. And now I have to be really careful with the LPS. As you can see, I'm really wet right now. So sometimes I do that for him to distract. But now I have to go get him his water and his food for him to calm down. So, my hair is on my face. So right now I'm wearing sunglasses, and they're Hello Kitty ones, and I don't even like them, but you know, the sun is getting in my eyeballs, and it hurts. So I really have to wear them, and nobody's gonna have outside with me. But Mama is watching out for me up in the stairs, but I can't show my house because then it's gonna show the number of my house, and yeah, I literally have to wrestle with him every single day when I'm making a video outside. Look at his teeth. They're so sharp. And he's a boy, guys. And his name is Boo, if you didn't know that. And, I'm actually some of... No! Give it to me! Don't pop the head! Don't pop off the head! No! Don't! Please don't! So, yeah, I'm going to go get his food and water. So I'll come back. So yeah guys, basically all he wants is the toy. But he's eating now, so yay! I'm free! Peace! Hey guys. Woo! So, guys, I will make a second part, guys. So I don't know why I keep on saying guys. Well, yeah, bye, guys. And I'll see you in a little bit. I just need to get him from literally destroying the toy. So I'll bring out his toys and I'll show them to you guys.